Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the barcode and removing glare so the camera reads contrast accurately. Once done, open your phone camera or a dedicated scanner app and grant camera access. This lets the app control focus and exposure. Make sure single scan mode is selected and enable autofocus. That reduces blur and speeds recognition. Position the product so the barcode fills about half the screen. This balance keeps lines crisp without cutting edges off. Now move into framing the code. You should center the barcode in the viewfinder and align it horizontally. Scanners read bars best when level. Hold steady about 4 to 8 inches away for most product labels, moving a bit closer for small codes and farther for large ones. Tap the screen to focus if the app doesn't lock automatically, or let continuous autofocus settle so lines appear sharp. Once the app beeps or shows a green box, it has captured the code. Remember to keep breathing slow to avoid motion blur. You finish by verifying the decoded number or product info displayed on screen so you know the scan matched the item. If the app fails, rescan at a slightly different angle or under better lighting. Tilting the barcode by a few degrees often helps damaged labels read correctly. Make sure there's no reflective tape or deep creases blocking bars. If nothing works, use the manual entry field to type the digits shown or the SKU. That ensures you can proceed without the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.